Welcome to 1373 Bridle Path Circle, a wonderful 4-bedroom family home with 3 washrooms situated within a very friendly neighborhood of Pickering's Liverpool community. The south-facing tiered interlocking walkway is also ideal for a sitting area surrounded by a patio garden and invites you into a spacious foyer with ceramic flooring laid on the diagonal that flows throughout much of the main level. Well loved and maintained throughout the years by the owner, this home showcases principal rooms with a warm ambiance and classic elegance, as seen in a formal dining room illuminated by a timeless candelabra-style chandelier and natural light through a west-facing window. The adjacent formal living room has a large north-facing bay window with a deep ledge for indoor greenery that also provides exceptional views of the outdoors, and both formal entertaining spaces are finished with the richness of dark hardwood flooring and have a neutral decor that enhances their bright yet relaxing atmosphere. The family room offers a great environment for casual get-togethers that are centered around a wood-burning brick fireplace with a tiled hearth and a mirrored inset. And the entertaining easily spills to the backyard through a sliding door walkout. Here, a large deck with built-in seating and partially covered by a pergola stretches across the rear of the home and overlooks a backyard with gardening beds, lots of outdoor play space, and chain-link fencing that doesn't obstruct the gorgeous views of the adjacent park. Brightened with ceiling panel lighting and the family hub of the household, the eat-in kitchen showcases a functional workspace with exceptional cabinetry storage that includes a large pantry and also features ceramic backsplashes, a fridge, stove, and stainless steel double sink, and a light diffusing blind on its east-facing window. The kitchen also has bifold doors opening to a laundry room with a washer, dryer, a side door to access the yards, as well as access to the double-car garage. And with the kitchen having entries off the main hall and from the family room, this level enjoys a wonderful ease of flow that makes entertaining a breeze. This home additionally features an unfinished lower level that has great potential for future recreational and entertaining space, a powder room, and another entry into the laundry room next to this washroom, as well as a double coat closet in the foyer, where a large south-facing window and side lights with the glass-paneled entry door naturally brighten the space. While to an upper level with 4 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and 2 linen closets is a carpeted staircase with a hardwood railing and which is bathed in natural brightness by a skylight above it. Broad loom adds coziness throughout the hallway and to the 3rd and 4th bedrooms. The 4th bedroom featuring 2 large south-facing windows, the 3rd bedroom having a large east-facing window, a feature wall, and space for a sitting area, while both bedrooms have double closets with single doors. Adjacent to the 3rd bedroom is the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area as well as a skylight. And the 2nd bedroom, which is quite spacious, features laminate flooring, a sitting area by its north-facing window, and an oversized double closet. The graciously sized master suite also features laminate flooring and has a large north-facing window to enjoy backyard and park views, a walk-in closet, and a spacious sitting area. as well as an ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled bath area, a ceramic tiled floor, toilet and bidet, and great vanity storage. Backing onto the open green spaces of Beverly Morgan Park, and a short walk to Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, and Pine Ridge Secondary Schools. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.